The point of life is to live. So live. Expect nothing, just live. Enjoy your life. You will never be alive again. I don't care if you go to hell or what, or you go to heaven, but you'll never ever be alive again. Let's not just think about the next life. Let's think about right now, the present day. Now we are alive. Take advantage of that. You can breathe. You can think. You can go and visit your friend. You can call. You can eat. Celebrate life. We'll never be alive again in any time of the world. You don't even have to think or probabilize it. Just take the advantage of now. You are alive. You have a family. You can see, you can breathe. You can smell, you can taste. Take advantage of that. Don't take it for granted.